Sanket Sood, and today I am present my presentation on the topic Bluetooth. Contents Introduction. This technology provides short range wireless connectivity between devices. It is intended to replace the cables connecting portable and fixed electronic device. Cable limit the mobility of the consumer and are easy to lose. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to transfer data between different electronic devices. The distance of data transmission is small in comparison to other modes of wireless communication. History. Bluetooth is invented in 1994 by Ericsson. The company later started working with a large group of companies called Bluetooth Special Interest Group. Bluetooth is not owned by any one company and is developed and maintained by SIG. What is Bluetooth technology? It uses a frequency hopping spread spectrum technique, which is one of two basic modulation techniques used in spectrum signal transmission. Types: headset, car Bluetooth system, Bluetooth printer, Bluetooth equipped web camera, Bluetooth GPS, Bluetooth keyboard. Importance: these have replaced cable for transferring information from one electronic device to another one. These have distinct strain like carrying phone while taking making hand free to do another work. This is cheaply available. Advantages: eliminate wires, facility data and voice communication, offer formation of ad HOC network free of charge, easy to use, low power consumer, battery less, stationary and mobile environment. Disadvantages: data sent different to between two Bluetooth devices very slow compared with Wi-Fi. Transfer rate: range of Bluetooth device is 50 to 30 feet depending upon the device. Slowty is biggest disadvantage as transfer take place through radio waves and a hacker can easily hack it. Application: the internet is an extension of the mode could be mobile computer that allow shuffling the internet irrespective of the location and the of the user and regarding of the whether the use of connection through a mobile phone. Automatic check-in: hotels are testing or paying to test service that allow guests to check in and unlock room door and even control room temperature with hand hands held device equipment. Bluetooth characteristics: it spread the frequency band into hops. This spectrum is used to hop from one channel to another. Devices do not need to point it at each other as the signal are omnidirectional. Government worldwide regulate it, so it is possible to utilize the same standard wherever one travels. Bluetooth have a good future because it meets a basic need of connectivity. Current protocol is being researched that would support large HOC network. Latest version of Bluetooth are improving both its security and capabilities. New version of Bluetooth technology will meet the high speed and range. Many companies are designing massive Bluetooth application in demand. Security it encryption is provides at the link manager layer. The pin is translated into 128-bit link key, which is used for this. This is the radio will settle on the suitable length encryption key to be used. Conclusion: a new global standard for data and voice and eliminated cables. Reference and